Wait, your laughter is becoming so very suspicious. What's happening? Why are you smiling? What's amusing you? What's making you laugh? What is it? Okay, tell me. Why are you smiling? Why are you laughing? What's amusing you?
So you are medically okay after all. Hmm?
Babe, we are medically okay. Alright?
I'm sorry I gave you hell. Yeah.
See, we have to go home. My dad is probably waiting for us now.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Where are you guys coming from?
My mother was ill and she asked that I come see her.
Yes, Dad. I went to the village to pick her up. Yeah. But her mother is fine now.
Yes, she is fine now.
Right.
And you, why did you leave the house without my consent?
Dad, I think we didn't see you. I don't know why we...
I guess he was engaged. I thought you were engaged.
I'm sure she didn't see you, but I had to go to the village to pick her up then. But her mother is doing fine now.
Perfectly fine.
Yes.
That's all right. Let me call her to confirm.
Okay.
Line is not going through.
Oh. Yeah. Must be. Probably. But have you had something to eat, Dad? I think it's not.
Yeah. Let's go inside.
Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi.
Yes, Dad. Dad, you called me?
Yes. Sit down. I want you to go for a trip.
A trip to where?
China.
China?
Yes, I want you to go and meet my partner in Zhejiang province, China.
Oh.
Yes, he will take you around the companies I do business with. You can see age is no longer on my side.
But, Dad, I feel like it's too sudden, and for how long?
2 weeks. I've already processed your documents and gotten a visa for you. I've already paid for your flight ticket too and secured accommodation where you stay in China. I've made arrangements for your welfare. You'll be leaving in 3 days' time.
3 days?
Oh, yes.
That just like that?
You will like it.
Every day I'm asking God, so why me? Why me? Why?
It's okay.
Every day I'm shedding tears.
I'm so unpredictable though.
Crying from one problem to the other. No happiness for my family.
So tomorrow, you leave for China.
Yeah. I leave for China tomorrow.
I miss you.
I miss you already. I mean, I wish I can suspend the trip. You know, move it forward. I can't afford to stay away for 2 weeks. 2 weeks without being around you. That's like suicide. Do you think that peace has been restored in our home?
Mm-hmm.
I feel so bad. I miss you so much. I'll come back before you know it.
You know it's hard to be away from you.
Yeah.
Duty calls, huh?
I mean, it was impromptu. It was sudden. I was wondering why he wanted me to go to China, but I guess I'm the best to do it. Yeah.
Well, I may have a parting gift for you.
What's that?
Oh, do you want it? You want the gift?
Hell yeah.
Okay. I got you a gift.
I know when you get like this.
How you want it? Hot? No, what want your gift? How you want it? Hot or cold?
Okay, I know when you get like this. I thought you wanted to
Do what?
probably give me a...
Baby, you would not believe what I want to know.
Hey, wait.
Good news, goodness.
You excited?
I am excited. Look at this.
What's here?
Just open it. Open this. I cannot contain myself.
What's this? Huh? Babe?
Yeah.
You're pregnant?
Yes, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. It's right there. I have a baby in my womb.
Dad, my wife is pregnant. Oh, really?
Yes, I am pregnant.
Oh, that's good news. That's great.
Yes.
Babe,
Yes.
you've proven my enemies wrong.
I know. Oh God, it's so good. I don't even know how I feel.
Oh, well,
Strong emotions.
congratulations to both of you.
Thank you, sir.
I knew a day like this will come. Bible made us to understand that sorrow might endure for a night. But
Joy comes in the morning. Yes. Yeah. I am pregnant. We're pregnant. We're having a baby. I'm going inside. Are you coming?
Wait.
I have something to tell you.
No, seriously. Wait.
I told them that patience is profitable. Son, you are still sitting here while I was waiting for you at the dining table. Come on. Go in and freshen up and join me at the dining.
Dad, I don't...
Don't just tell me that you are not hungry or you don't have appetite. Go in and freshen up and join me. You heard me?
Every day I'm asking God, so why me, God, why? Every day I'm shedding tears, I'm crying, from one problem to the other. No happiness for my family. Today we happy, tomorrow we cry. Hey, I can't take it anymore. Give me guy.
Oga, I beg, sorry, no verse. No verse. Oga, I know I make you look like say person no know work again for this house. Sir, you know say I be the chief security officer of Chief Williams Nwagaranya. And everybody, including everything where they for this compound, they under my divine care and protection.
Pontus.
Oga,
I'm in a hurry. What is it?
Yesterday, you and Madam carry upcoming Oga, Junior, come out. And you no carry and come back. I hope say everything fine.
Pontus.
Sir.
You act like a lunatic.
That is what I am. Without missing what I know that I'm a lunatic. Thank you, sir. Don't wake up in the village, they call me lunatic. Huh? That is what I am. Lunatic at the first. I would think in my name lunatic. And I'm proud to be a lunatic. I'm proud of the name. You think, sir, if you call me lunatic, I go verse. That's my name, of course. I'm a lunatic. And I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it.
Your boy is alright now. You can take him home.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome. I just did my job. But before you go, give this to the pharmacist. He knows exactly what to do with it.
Alright, I will.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. My regards to your dad.
Sure. Thank you.
Every day I'm asking God, so why me, God, why? Every day I'm shedding tears, I'm crying, from one problem to the other. No happiness for my family. Today we happy, tomorrow we cry. Hey, I can't take it anymore. wonder, even metal and memoir. Is it my sins from the past that's against me? Cover my do make me very well. Mana onyeka mo mecholo, onyeka mo jinke yango, chukwo kiki no zikwaya. The pain is too much. Every day I'm asking God, so why me, why me? Why? Every day I'm shaking.
You okay? Why are you walking like that?
But you just jumped. Are you being an actor right now? Feel strong? Yeah. Okay.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Okay, never manto. Hey.
Welcome. Thank you. Gladys, how are you?
How are you? Okay.
See that?
Son?
Yeah.
What is it?
You okay?
How are you?
Want some water? Get him some water.
Are you okay?
Sorry, baby. Sorry.
How?
Water.
Hey. Waga who? Waga ha? Waga?
We need to get him out of this.
Gladys!
Daddy, I'm going to sleep.
Gladys! Get me my phone!
Okay. I think we should take him to the hospital.
Get me my phone! No, come on, carry me.
Not all of my life. Waga.
Get up.
Pull him up.
And I never chop.
Gladys!
No, let's go to the hospital. Oh my God! Oh my God, what's going on?
Take him up!
What's going on with him?
If I'm doing that.
Take him now!
Gladys! Gladys!
Gladys, hurry up!
Get me my phone!
You know what? Just
Water!
Gladys!
Gladys! Get me my phone! Gladys, water! Come on, hold it! Hey! Come on, hold it!
Umokombi, Akwo Gine, Ekede bullet.
As it is hot, why did you guys not remit to me the traders task money yesterday?
But Oyobodo, yesterday was not our turn to collect money from the market women at Omasi.
And who told you that?
Papa, yesterday was naked wire them done now. No, be our own.
Shut up! So, you guys let these guys to take away our turn.
Oyobodo,
Hey!
Butu, Amaram, Makona itili faro. It won't happen again. I'm messy also.
Naked wire is playing with me, Aburoka. No bother. Okay. The next market day will be in 2 days' time. So you guys prepare yourselves.
No shaking. Man, I only Obodo. You get with that one reason you get problem with on ground.
What's the problem?
Apologa na London mada apologa papaya no puponya bobi. Every day I'm asking God, so why me, why me, why? Every day I'm shedding tears, I'm crying. from one problem to the other. No happiness for my family. Today we happy, tomorrow we.
You both have to excuse him for now. He needs rest. He has undergone a lot of mental stress that led to his breakdown.
Doctor, tell us what is exactly the problem. Because I don't understand this. I really don't understand. First it was my son. Now it's my husband. I don't get it. I don't get it at all. I really don't understand.
Well, like I said earlier, madam, he needs rest. You have to excuse him, please. So follow me.
Let's go.
I want to hear.
Let's go.
I'll wait for him to wake up.
Come on, let's go. Let's obey the doctor.
Every day I'm shedding tears. I'm crying.
I really don't want to go. I'm fine here.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
My family. Today we happy, tomorrow we cry. Hey, I can't take it anymore. Give me guy. Give me guy.
You mean Igwe said that?
Papa, the news dey everywhere. I mean, now you be the only person who never hear them.
Does the Igwe want us to burn down this community?
Okay, for Cholo.
What do you want?
What do you want to?
Hey, he feels he can stop us from the source of our income.
All over our dead body.
Right?
It can never happen.
Oyobodo, we really have to do something, no? I see me if you makas the mengwangwa and mengalodachi before this old man stop us from our source of income.
I'm going to set this community ablaze.
Bam.
We want. Boom! Umokombi.
Oyobodo.
Umokombi.
Gine.
Obuska iko bro jibili.
Amalaka. Mbo wena amaka.
Okwa iko bro jibili.
Now what for you?
Hey.
Gine.
Okay. We are going to that market. Let's see who can stop us.
Nobody.
Oyobodo.
Ta.
Etu ikule kode. Tawu for you. Ta. Egwu.
Ana amaka.
Oya malaka.
Oya malaka ebuje ya aka.
Short leave.
Ana amaka.
Oyobodo.
Haba amaka.
Papa ya.
Oya malaka ebuje ya aka.
Emeyi ho maka. Lelo. Tawam.
Ana amaka haba amaka.
Ekwo gine.
Poem for you.
You guys can go.
No.
Oyobodo.
We want.
Apologa na London mada apologa papaya no puponya bobi apologa posio bobodo
Loboda.
teleo
Mo ba apologa.
baba ni mani wedi no pio apologa na London mada apologa papaya no puponya bobi apologa puti lobodo ni na pono hey di baba ni
Doctor, what is going on with my son?
Chief, I can't say anything for now until the test result comes out.
What is going on with my children? Why are they breaking down one after the other?
Well, Chief, it could be as a result of change of environment. They might have contracted some diseases while in the village. But never mind, the test result will soon be out. Excuse me, Chief. I'll be right back.
Every day I'm asking.
You see this thing will happen for this family, eh? You know the ordinary at all.
You know the.
You know the ordinary.
No the.
Are they sure say somebody don't send this family evil friend request? Are they sure?
Conscious. You don't come again. Which one be evil friend request again?
Let me tell you. Evil friend request now when person send you friend request to destroy you. And I did show say, Chief, accept the friend request.
Mama God, I beg you. I beg. Don't let anything happen to small Oga. I beg. Now very nice man. Which one going to collapse anyhow? Which kind of collapsing thing be this one?
I don't know. I don't know.
Hey.
See, village people. Village people, you know go good for all of them.
Amen.
You know go better for all of them.
Amen.
You see why I hate to the go village?
Me too.
You see why I hate them?
Me self.
Because I did should see this thing would happen to small Oga and his son. You know go past village people.
Abi?
Their hand go there inside.
I believe you. Conscious. I beg. Make a check up on Oga.
Okay.
You make a know them they okay.
Okay. Come. Gladys, come. I beg no vex. Food is still remain. I dey hungry. Biko.
Conscious.
What's
the worry you? Kata they put the think about how to solve this problem. You talk about food. You won't die. What kind of person you be?
Wetin concern me concern kata. Say people they faint they collapse. It concern me. Make I no chop again.
Food no dey.
Waga. See me see wahala. Say people there inside they collapse they faint. Make Pontus no chop food again. Okay, make I follow them faint. Hey! Wahala no dey finish for market oh. Waga ha. Okay.
God, please. What is happening? What is happening in my family? Baby. Listen. I want you to get well soon. So we can go home. So we can be one big happy family like before. I don't know what I'm gonna do if anything happens to you. I need you. I also need you. Baby, I want you to get home.
Mother,
I want you.
Please, the doctor said nobody should be seen around him for now.
I'm not disturbing him.
I'm sorry, Ma. You have to wait at the reception. That's the instruction.
I'll talk a lot once.
Ma, please, that's the instruction given by the doctor. Please, you have to come with me.
Every day I'm asking God, so why me? Why me? Every day I'm shedding tears. I'm crying.
Okay.
Crying. From one problem to the other. No happiness for my family. Today we happy.
I'm going to leave you for a while. Because they say I have to be at the reception. But I'm here.
Sometimes I wonder, oh boy.
Gold digger.
Jennifer, what did you call me?
Of course you heard. Who else? Let me ask you, Rose. Why do you like to reap where you did not sow?
I don't have time to talk with a jobless fool.
Did you just call me jobless? Well, I'm going to pardon you because I'm in a good mood. But let me warn you carefully. I don't want to see you anywhere around Copper James in this village. Because he's my man. Because if you do, only God himself will decide your fate.
You will do nothing. You're nothing but a fool.
Okay.
Nah, eat, oh. Good boy. Eat. Nah. Good boy. Oh yeah, eat. Swallow, eat. No, what are you doing? Eat it. So you be pokon, baby.
I want to see my mommy and my daddy.
Eat one. I promise. I'll take it to your mommy and your daddy. Please.
I want to see them.
Nah, please. So you be pokon, baby. Eat, please. Trust me. Yeah? Eat it. Please. Don't throw it away again, because eat. Eat. Good boy. Swallow. Swallow it now, please. Good boy.
Can you take me to my mom and my daddy now?
Okay. Eat this last spoon. I promise I will take it to your mommy and your daddy. Oh, eat. Please. Eat now.
I want to see my mom and my daddy.
You see, Rose, I love you so much, okay? And in fact, I just don't want to leave this village again because of you.
Copper, is that how much you love me?
Yes, I love you so much. And I think God has a reason for us coming together, okay?
I guess so too.
Sure?
I love you.
Wow.
But something tells me you're going to break my heart.
God forbid. I mean, why would I want to break your heart? Huh? Why would you even say a thing like that? Why did you ask?
That's because of the numerous girls that clusters around you.
Come on, those girls are... They are my fellow coppers, okay? Trust me, I have nothing to do with any other girl in this village apart from you. I love you so much, alright?
I love you too. Let me run along and deliver the meeting my mother sent to me.
Oh, I don't wish to leave you, so tell me, when will you come again?
Later in the day.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, now run along, okay?
Yeah. See you later.
Take care.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Hey!
Life is good. Life is good. Gladys, why you keep face like dwell away get accident? I be person die for your family.
Now your family person die. What is? Now your family person go die.
Back to sender. Back to sender. Back to sender. What is the problem?
Now come in your girl. Eh?
Eh? How? Hey! God, please. God, please, don't allow this to happen to us. God, I take God, I beg you. Don't do this to us. Please. Where is he? Make him carry him go hospital. Let's go. Go.
Carry him go hospital. Eh? He be like your madness will start again.
No, but you talk see Godson the sick.
Me? When I talk that one? Eh? You agree with talk with me I want to talk? You agree?
Okay, fine, you don't win. Okay, waiting Oga Pikin do.
You know they agree, Cho. I don't beg and tire. Eh? You see, make a carry go meet him mama and papa.
Hey! Waga who? Waga ha. Waga who? Waga ha. Gladys, if you don't need to allow this to bother you. No, allow this to make it bother you at all. See, let me tell you. Go and bring the boy. Let me feed him myself. You know, this is a man-to-man talk. The small boy will understand me. Oh, yes.
He should say
it don't work since last year. Make I tell you, I don't do nanny work before. That's before government can't give me security work. See, go and bring the boy and the food.
Make I go bring the boy and the food come.
Be fast about it.
I don't beg and tire. I don't tire.
You don't get problem.
I beg and beg.
Yeah, man, you come there. Bring the boy and the food and leave the rest to me. Before you close your eyes and open it, I am done feeding the boy. Even man can name me. Even man can name me. Go and get the boy and the food. You have no problem with that. Waga who waga that? Waga who waga that? I'm still waiting for you, Gladys.
Knock, knock.
Who's that?
It's me.
Oh. How are you?
Good evening, my love.
Good evening, Jennifer. How are you?
You just addressed me by my name.
Oh, sorry, my angel. So how are you?
I'm fine. I bought some things for you. I want to cook for you.
Cook?
Yes.
For me?
Yes. You like it.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go inside.
Tell me, let me show you to the kitchen.
Huh? So who thinks she has grown? Huh? She will just leave this house anytime she wants, come back anytime she wants. Okay. I will kill that girl if she comes back to this house.
In fact, this girl wants to put me into problem. Rose wants to disgrace me. Okay. We are waiting for her. Let her go and come back.
Rose, come here. Where are you coming from? Huh? Rose, come here. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming back from the errand Mama sent me.
Liar. What errand are you talking about and what time was it I sent you on errand? Eh? Can you open your mouth and tell us where you're coming from? I heard errand I sent me. As at what time? Your brother had even gone to the house to look for you and he didn't say you're not there. That she has not even seen you.
Mama, why is she lying against me? I went to see her.
Rose, if you know what is good for you, go on your knees now.
Why will I go on my knees? Am I a baby?
Rose, tell us where you are coming from. And your brother said you should go on your knees. Can you do that? This is message I sent you since morning. Since morning that the sun has not come out. Rose! Hey.
Mama, I'm not going to kneel down for anybody.
So you are challenging me? Mama, Rose is challenging me. I will murder this girl. Mama, I will kill this girl now. I'll just murder somebody now. Oh,
tell us.
You are challenging me. You are challenging me.
Where are you coming from? Talk! I will slap you with this.
Go.
Are you not?
You're ready.
Pursue her and bring her back here. Whatever I can worry about. Let me know exactly what is wrong with this girl. Okay. Bring her back and worry about.
Don't worry.
I don't even know what is wrong with this girl.
You are challenging me in this house. Eh? Can you imagine what that's going to be to challenge me?
So you happy? You didn't bring her back?
No, Mama. I'm waiting for you.
You leave her?
She's running. No, she will come back now. She will come back. Is she going to run away from this house? She will come back. Rose is challenging me in this house. Mama, I'm what's happening in this house, eh? Even remember Rose.
Eh? Upcoming Oga, why you know I eat your food? Oh yeah, eat, eat. Aha!
No. Take me to my daddy.
No, your papa don't travel. You know that around at all. He has traveled very far. As a matter of fact, you cannot see him. Eh? No, eat, eh? Oh.
No, take me to him.
You want me to eat the food?
Yes, go ahead.
I should go ahead. I will eat it too. See, let me tell you, Ponchus, I have bad habit. In fact, no need to even take the food to back to Gladys. Okay. This food is sweet though. Gladys can cook. Where's the meat though?
You finished it.
No, I'm about to wrap it up.
You're already finished it.
It's a wrap,
Are you sure eating?
Gladys! Gladys! Gladys!
Don't you?
Huh? Hey, I told you.
What's happening here? What the food?
Hey, the food don't finish. You see this boy? This boy can eat for Africa. The plate is empty.
Pontius. You sure seen that this small boy chop this food?
Which kind of question be that one? You don't forget when I tell you say I don't lose appetite. The thing what happened to small Oga even make me lose appetite. I lose in total. Go get more food for this small boy to eat. He's hungry. He was eating like a wounded lion.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Give me the plate.
Okay. Like a wounded lion. Please be fast before he will lose appetite too. Always require him to book at my boy. See, look at the way he responded to treatment. I never knew you work with a cooperative society. You cooperated with me. I thought you cast everything. In fact, chop. Don't look. That's how we roll. That's my boy.
My daughter. You go home. Freshen up. Eat. Look after yourself.
I'm not hungry.
When listen to me. Listen to me. I'll take it up from here. Go home and eat.
No. I don't want to go home. I don't want to eat either. What manner of stupid appetite will I have at this time when my husband lies lifeless on this bed? Chances are I'll die if I ever step out there to go and eat. Baby! He's up! Baby! How are you? He's awake!
Come on, son. Your dad is here. I'm here.
Where's my son?
He's fine. He's fine.
Dad, how did I get here?
That's a really long story. You don't want to know about that. Right?
At this point, go and call the doctor.
Yes, let him know that he's up. He's awake. Yes. Let the doctor know he's awake. He's back to us. You had me so worried. I thought all sorts. How are you doing?
Why did you leave our son?
Baby, don't worry about him, okay? I'll tell you all you need to know. Soon as the doctor comes back, examines you, and you're good to go. Shh. How are you feeling, baby? How are you feeling? Are you hungry?
What happened to me?
It's a really, really long story.
What happened?
Like I said,
You sure?
you had me so scared. I swear. You don't need to talk a lot now. Okay? I tell you all that you need to know the moment we leave this place and you're feeling better. Hey, it's good to have you back. Hungry?
Would you like it?
Long story. A really long story.
No.
Oh, I wish I knew.
Go taxi, go taxi,
Taxi!
go taxi,
Taxi!
Madam, go
Taxi!
Go taxi!
Taxi!
What is up with you? Hello! Hey, go taxi! Go the taxi, please! Go, taxi!
Taxi!
Baby, I was trying to reach you. You need to...
Hello? Hello?
No. It must be your husband. Yes, ma'am. Your husband is admitted in the hospital.
What?
The doctor said he needed your presence immediately.
Oh my God, where? What hospital? Dear God, I'm coming.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Thank you.
Where is the
Run there, go!
Run
there, go!
Run there, go!
One problem to the other, no happiness for my family. Today we happy, tomorrow we